Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva to GoDaddy. First, understand that you can publish a Canva website directly to your GoDaddy domain, or link a Canva design to an existing GoDaddy site. We will focus on the direct publishing method, which involves configuring DNS settings. This process ensures your beautiful Canva creation is accessible to everyone online through your personalized web address. It's a straightforward path to getting your content live. To begin, open your completed website design in Canva. Look for the Publish Website button, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click this, and then select the option to use My Existing Domain. You will then be prompted to enter your GoDaddy domain name. Canva will guide you through the initial setup, preparing your design for the next crucial step of connecting it to your domain. Next, log into your GoDaddy account and find your domain's DNS management page. Here, you will need to add or modify a CNAME record. This record should point to Canva's publishing server, typically s-canva.com. Also, verify that your record is set correctly, often pointing to an IP address provided by Canva or GoDaddy. These changes tell the internet where to find your Canva website. After making the DNS changes, it's important to allow some time for them to take effect. This propagation can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours across the internet. Once this period has passed, open a web browser and type in your GoDaddy domain name to confirm your Canva website is live. If you encounter any issues, consult Canva's support resources for detailed troubleshooting guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.